This is Matt, and this will be a video on Lovable pricing. How much does Lovable cost? In this video, I am going to cover the price, and as you can see right here, I'm on the main pricing page on the Lovable website. But first things first, I do have an affiliate link in the video description. If you click my link just below this video, you will get some form of bonus credits depending on what Lovable are offering right now. So if you want to check out the pricing, I'll go left to right here. They've got a few different plans, but it is pretty straightforward. So first of all, we have the Pro plan right here. This is charged at £22 per month. Now these prices are in British pounds right here. I'm in the UK here, and I can't change to dollars, even though I work mostly in dollars myself. But I'll translate them. £22 is about $30 per month. So the Pro plan is described as designed for fast moving teams building together in real time. So with this, you get 100 monthly credits. You can see if you hover over here, 100 credits per month plus 5 daily credits at reset each day. So pretty generous. You also get the 5 daily credits there, up to 150 per month. Usage-based cloud plus AI credit rollovers, which you can see right here. Credit rollover for 1 month on monthly plans or until the end of your annual plan. That's pretty important. You also get on-demand credit top-ups, unlimited lovable.app domains, and custom domains as well. You can remove the Lovable badge, so that's different to the free plan, and you get user roles and permissions. So there is a free plan. There is like a free forever plan that you can get. I should note, you get, I think it's 5 daily credits. That might be enough for some people. But if you want one of these pay plans, you got 22 per month for Pro. They've also got Business right here at 44 per month, described as advanced controls and powerful features for growing departments. Right here, 100 credits per month. Internal publish. You also get SSO, team workspace, personal projects, design, templates, role-based access, and the security center, as you can see right here. So that is everything in Pro, plus the additional features and benefits I just read out here. Now, you can set the number of credits per month you want on both of these plans right here. So if I adjust that to 200, you see that the price goes up to 88 per month. Let's set that back to 100. They also have an enterprise plan. I won't read out everything here as there's a lot, but if enterprise is for you, you can book a demo. Like with most of these SaaS products, there is a kind of custom enterprise plan for larger organizations and companies. So we can flick over to annual if you want the savings. If I click here, you save 44 with this plan and 88 with this plan over the course of a year. The only thing with the annual plan is you are of course paying for all the months in one go. If you want that rolling plan, you can just hit that button, and by default you are paying per month without having that commitment up front. So that's the yearly plan with the savings. That might be useful for you. They got gift cards here. There's some more information. There's some frequently asked questions here. The only thing they don't have on the pricing page is a kind of table showing side-by-side comparison of the different plans, what you get, and in some cases what you don't get. That can be quite useful on SaaS pricing pages, but we don't seem to have that here. But overall, I encourage you to check out that affiliate link that I have in the video description. Click my link, get those free credits, check out Lovable, see if it's the right plan, whether it's the right platform for you. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. You don't know until you try. Let's give it a try, check out the free plan. Maybe you want one of these pay plans. That is entirely up to you. If you want to stick on the free plan, that is of course cool. So hopefully you found this video on Lovable pricing useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.